Ring Brothers has built some of the most iconic Restomods on the planet. But in 2019, they took the wraps off something that would change the game entirely. This is VALKYRJA, a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro that is, without exaggeration, the most sophisticated Camaro ever built. Named after the Norse mythological figures who chose which warriors lived and which died in battle, this Camaro was designed to be a warrior in every sense of the word. Debuted at the 2019 SEMA Show, VALKYRJA was commissioned by a collector in Belgium who wanted Ring Brothers to push the limits of what was possible with a first-generation Camaro. What makes VALKYRJA fundamentally different from most Restomods is the sheer level of technology involved. Ring Brothers used cutting-edge CAD design, 3D scanning, CNC machining, and 3D printing to create this car. The entire body was digitally modeled before a single piece was cut. This is not a car that was eyeballed and shaped by hand. Every single surface was engineered with digital precision. The result is a body that flows with a level of sophistication that simply cannot be achieved through traditional fabrication methods alone. The exterior of VALKYRJA is wrapped in a custom BASF Glasurit waterborne paint color called TOTOPKG green. It is a muted, military-inspired green that gives the car an incredibly menacing presence. In bright sunlight, it shifts between olive and khaki tones. In low light, it takes on an almost flat, tactical appearance. The paint sits on a body that has been widened by 5 inches at the rear and 3 inches at the front, which moves the wheels forward by 1.5 inches for a more aggressive stance. But here is what truly sets this car apart. The hood, roof, side mirrors, grille surround, front splitter, and rear valance are all made from carbon fiber. This is not a car with a few carbon fiber accent pieces. Entire structural body panels are carbon fiber, reducing weight while maintaining strength and allowing for incredibly precise contours that would be impossible to achieve in steel. The front end of VALKYRJA is instantly recognizable as a first-gen Camaro, but every element has been refined. The grille surround is carbon fiber with an integrated Ring Brothers R badge. The headlights sit behind a redesigned front fascia that gives the car a more focused, predatory look. The carbon fiber front splitter extends aggressively beneath the bumper, providing downforce at speed. Moving down the side, the widened fenders create a muscular stance, while custom side vents behind the front wheels help extract heat from the engine bay. The carbon fiber roof panel is visible through the windshield, and the custom carbon fiber side mirrors are smaller and more aerodynamic than the originals. At the rear, the car features a bespoke carbon fiber rear valance with dual exhaust tips that exit through the rear fascia. The billet taillights were machined by Ring Brothers and feature a modern LED design that pays homage to the original 1969 layout. Every exterior detail on this car was either redesigned, machined, or fabricated from scratch. Under the carbon fiber hood sits a Wegner Motorsports 416 cubic inch LS3 V8 topped with a 2.9-liter Whipple Supercharger, producing an absolutely devastating 890 horsepower. That is nearly 900 horsepower from a supercharged LS platform, managed by Holley Dominator fuel management electronics. The engine bay of VALKYRJA is a work of art in itself. The valve covers and supercharger housing are finished in a striking red that creates a dramatic contrast against the dark engine bay components. Everything is precisely placed, with custom carbon fiber engine bay panels and polished billet accessories. Prestone coolant keeps the engine at temperature even under sustained hard driving, and Motul engine and gear oils ensure flawless operation under all conditions. The engine is paired with a reworked Baer 6-speed Tremec manual transmission that has been specifically modified to handle the extreme horsepower output. Baer Performance Transmissions is one of the most respected names in the industry, and their modifications to the Tremec gearbox ensure it can reliably handle the massive torque produced by the supercharged LS3. A QA1 carbon fiber driveshaft transfers power to a Johns Industries 9-inch rear end with 3.55 gears. The exhaust system uses custom Ring Brothers headers, feeding into a Flowmaster stainless steel Super 44 exhaust. Both tailpipes exit through the rear fascia, producing an aggressive snarl that perfectly matches the car's character. The chassis and suspension were engineered by Detroit Speed, using their hydroformed subframe at the front and a 4-link system at the rear with QA1 Mod Series shocks. Detroit Speed front and rear sway bars control body roll through high-speed cornering. Baer provided their 6S 6-piston calipers at all 4 corners, delivering the kind of stopping power you need when you have 890 horsepower pushing you forward. The entire suspension setup was tuned for both track capability and comfortable street driving, which is critical when you are building a car that needs to perform on European roads for its Belgian owner. VALKYRJA rolls on custom HRE performance wheels sized at 19 by 11 at the front and 20 by 12.5 at the rear. The wheel design is a retro-inspired mesh pattern that complements the 1969 Camaro aesthetic while providing a modern forged construction. The tires are Michelin Pilot Sport 4S, measuring 295 at the front and 345 at the rear. The staggered setup combined with the widened body gives VALKYRJA an incredibly aggressive footprint that puts every bit of that 890 horsepower to the ground. Step inside VALKYRJA, and the interior is unlike anything you will find in any other Restomod. Upholstery Unlimited created a fully custom interior that combines luxury with race car functionality. The seats are custom designed with aggressive bolstering to hold the driver during hard cornering. Decoded digital gauges provide all the critical information through a bespoke billet dashboard that was CNC-machined by Ring Brothers. The steering wheel features a unique 4-spoke design with a red center stripe and a carbon fiber center cap bearing the HRE logo. Toggle switches on the billet dashboard panel control the ignition and electrical systems, giving the cockpit a purposeful, aircraft-inspired feel. The door panels feature custom billet handles and carbon fiber accents that match the exterior carbon fiber elements. A Vintage Air Gen 4 Magnum system provides climate control, and a kicker sound system handles entertainment. Every surface, every switch, every detail inside this car was either custom machined, 3D printed, or hand fabricated. VALKYRJA is Ring Brothers at the absolute peak of their craft. It won the Battle of the Builders at SEMA, and it is not hard to understand why. The combination of 890 supercharged horsepower, a full carbon fiber body, cutting-edge digital design, and obsessive attention to every detail creates a Camaro that exists in a category of its own. This is not just a Restomod. This is what happens when you give 2 brothers from Wisconsin unlimited resources and tell them to build the best Camaro they possibly can. VALKYRJA is the answer.